Hello everybody, welcome back to another banger on this channel, and today's video is a very interesting one. Today we will be going over the new Useless Coin Airdrop campaign that has just been announced, and I'm going to walk you step by step on how you can get a piece of the pie and how you can get the most out of this airdrop. So make sure you watch the video until the very end so you understand what is happening and how you can participate. First and foremost, open up your browser. That is the official website where the airdrop is happening right now, and once you're on the website, of course you will be welcomed with everything you need to know about the coin plus the airdrop as well. You can of course visit their social media, CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, Twitter, whatever you want if you want to learn more about the project, but that is a different topic for a different video. Today we are mostly interested in claiming the airdrop. So as you guys can see right here, live airdrop, claim your useless tokens, join the most useless but profitable airdrop in crypto history, get your share of useless tokens before it's too late. And yes guys, this airdrop is a limited time airdrop, so don't play around with this and be fast. And if you scroll down a little bit over here, it will show you all the airdrop details which you need to know. 10 million total airdrop pool, 1,000 per wallet, 7 days left, and over 12,000 participants already claimed. Eligibility requirements: connect a Solana wallet like Phantom or Sulfur, I will show you that in a second. Have minimum 0.01 Sol for transaction fees, 1 claim per wallet address, claim before August 2025. And right beside that we have the black button where it says connect wallet. Once you click on that, a small pop-up window will show up which will show you all the eligible wallets which are compatible with this airdrop, like Sulfur wallet, Phantom wallet, Trust wallet, Coinbase, and if you click on the all wallets section right here, it will show you all the compatible wallets which most people use anyway, so I'm sure your wallet will be here. Once you find and connect your wallet, the system will check your eligibility and see how much useless tokens you're eligible to claim. It will show you all the details, and if you're happy about that, just hit continue and you are good to go. The useless tokens are on the way to your wallet, but do keep in mind guys that there's a lot of traffic on the website at the moment, so the waiting time is around 15 to 20 minutes. But yeah guys, that is basically it from me. Thanks very much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Comment down below how much you were able to claim from this. I am out. Peace.